All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at the GarageBand drummers versus the Logic drummers. I think there's some really cool things in here. They're the same drummers, same sounds, but they sound different except for some of them. So let's take a look at this. This is very interesting. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which one sounds better to you? The newer versions being Logic Pro 11 versus the GarageBand. And by the way, where's GarageBand 11? I don't know. Anyways, so let's just take a look at this. Also, please do subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog, a lot of Logic Pro stuff in here, a lot of free VST plugins, all kind of really cool stuff. So hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. And let's just get right into this. Okay, so here we are in GarageBand, and we have the Britpop drum kit selected with the Britpop drummer, Manchester drum kit. Here's the beat, default beat. Now, for some reason in Logic, they changed the name from Britpop to Psychedelic Rock drummer. So anyways, but here's the same drum kit, pretty much the same beat, because when the default setting, it just popped in the same thing. So let's check this out. So again, first beat. The Logic one sounds a lot more punchier. That could be due to the chroma glow, some other stuff they got here. And by the way, I loaded the same kit up here in Logic, and I changed the drum kit back to the legendary Manchester kit, and it sounds like this. Even though it has the same signal chain as the Logic one here, it sounds pretty much like the GarageBand one. Different drum fill, whatever, than the new Logic one. Now it has the same exact signal chain here, so I'm not sure what they changed. Maybe they changed some of the drum kit pieces. Ah, look at that. The old Manchester kit has this drum set, and the new one has this. That's very interesting. Let's check out some other drums, and we'll do some electronic ones as well. So here's the indie pop kit in GarageBand. Default beat, 100 beat per minute, change to. And then we'll go into here, change this to the indie pop. So they changed the names of these, so I don't know if I even have the indie pop name in here. Ah, we do. But it didn't change the temperature. Didn't change the tempo. My mind is crazy today. Let's go here. Maybe I don't know if it's the same beat or not, but back to GarageBand. The GarageBand one sounds a little more boxier. The Logic one sounds a little more punchier. Let me know what you think. We'll just try the electronic kits, just one of them. We don't have to do this all day. Do the EDM, big room EDM. Go in the Logic. So definitely a different sound altogether. Obviously the same drum kits, different sound. Let's try the Percussionist, why not? So here is the Percussionist. This is the Calhoun Songwriter Percussionist in the GarageBand. In Logic. The Percussionist pretty much sounds exactly the same, whereas the other beats, the electronic drum kits and the acoustic kits sound completely different. Not completely different, but just different as far as the mixing, production style of the kits. So that's very interesting. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Just a quick video today. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon. Please do subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I will talk to you soon.